my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. We are here today to share day number 16, 17, 18, and 19 with you. Guys, this week completely escaped us. By the way, this is my precious daughter Ava. For those of you who may have missed one of our fantastic VLOGMAS videos. But anyways, as I was saying, this week we had 2 birthdays, 2 Christmas celebrations, and 0 time. So, that being said, we did have some footage recorded so we could continue with VLOGMAS, but it is gone. Like, the last few days that we did just completely disappeared. So I don't know. I don't even know. So I apologize. But we are going to share day 16, 17, 18, and 19 with you so that we can get caught up. We are going to do this as quick as possible. I will put a timestamp down below, so if you only want to see the advent calendars or a specific day, you can just click on the timestamp and it will take you directly there. Or I will also put one for the WW content, so all you have to do is click on that if you want to see what I'm sharing from my WW favorite. So, real quick before we get started, guys, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, we would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote our videos so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. We do have a 900 subscriber giveaway coming up very, very soon. I apologize for the delay. December, guys, is just a caboose kicker for us, isn't it? We have so many birthdays, so many birthdays, and then the holidays, so yes, I apologize. I should have planned better. Next year, there'll be less chaos for Christmas, but this year we just have to roll with it. So anyways, that being said, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. It's that little picture of me. Thank you for biting my finger. Or you can hit that red subscribe button down below this video and you'll be subscribed. All right, Ava, what calendar are we starting out with? 24 days of cheese. This is from Sam's Club. So this is a double cloucaster. Is that what? See it right here? I don't even know how you say that, guys. I am not a fancy cheese gal. Ooh, day 17 is the Mexicana cheddar. All right, day 18.
No thanks.
This is Ava's favorite cheddar. Since we've already tried this one, I'm not going to open it. I will just share it with the boys or with Ariana. And let's see what we have for the last day on this video, day 19. So while she's eating that, because I know I'm not going to get any of it. Am I going to get any of it? Oh, I am.
So good.
It's a miracle. Anyways, while she's finishing that off, I'm going to show you day, that's interesting, 16 through 19 in my K-Cup calendar. Here's what the inside is looking like.
Hot chocolate?
Maybe we'll get some hot chocolate for Ava. Did we get hot chocolate for you last week? I don't remember. I know we had the Swiss Miss.
We had Swiss Miss left on this week.
So one thing hot chocolate so far. So this is a Costa Rican Paraiso medium roast from Green Mountain. That's day 16. Day 17 is a donut shop. This looks really cute. Peppermint bark, and this is a coffee. It looks like it could be a hot chocolate, but it's not. Number 18. Sorry, girl. It's another Green Mountain cinnamon sugar cookie. Oh, yeah. I hate to say this, but I think I might be drinking this tonight. We didn't need to go to bed anytime soon, did we? And then day number 9 is the classic Krispy Kreme K-Cup. I don't think I've ever had, I mean, I've gone to Krispy Kreme before, but I don't think I've ever had their coffee, so excited to have that. You've had the Krispy Kreme coffee before?
No, I've seen a Krispy Kreme.
Yeah. We used to have one in town. I have coffee that I'm drinking now. But anyways, I think they just went out of business. It was really depressing because I like Krispy Kreme. But anywho, let's see what we got for day 16 through 19 of Ava's bath bombs from Aldi's. And these don't tell us what the name or the scent are, so we kind of have to sniff and guess.
Nothing.
Day number 16, what do you think it is?
Lavender.
Lavender for a blue one?
I don't know.
It almost smells like fresh linen. Doesn't it smell like Downy, like fabric softener? Okay. And day number 17, let me get this out for you. Oh, I know what that is. I think I have a guess. Day number 17 is what?
Rose.
Yes, it smells like roses.
And
But it's not the same rose that we had in the other one. It's like a sweeter rose. And then day number 18 looks like this. It's like a nice teal blue. What do you think?
It gives me like a sweet vibe.
Like a floral vibe though, or what? It almost smells like, it reminds me of cinnamon and sugar.
It does.
I highly doubt that it is cinnamon and sugar, but that's what it smells like. And then day number 19 is a very bright
Banana.
yellow. I say sunflower. What do
I
you
say
think?
banana.
Banana. I say I have no idea. It kind of smells like the blue one. It smells really good, so I guess we don't have to know what the exact scent is called to be able to enjoy it. So all these, you need to let us know what the scents are with these things. Come on now. Now let's do day 16 through 19 in my face mask calendar. I got this from Burlington Coat Factory. Alright, so we have day number 16. This is the Deep Cleaning Manuka Honey and Tea Tree Oil Clay Mask Cleanser. So it's a clay mask cleanser. So like a cleansing face mask. I got it. Jen can handle this. Alright, day number 17. It's our first green one. So for day 17, we have a brightening green tea and orange blossom peel off gel mask. That sounds really nice. Day number 18. What is this? Okay. So this is melting sugar face mask, matcha ice cream. Look, it's clear. This white part right here, that's just paper from the box, but it's very clear. So melting sugar for day 19, or day 18.
Look at the inside of it.
That's awesome.
Focus. It's not focusing.
And then day 19, we have the Neon Vibes Clay Mask. No stress, oil absorbing with blue lotus. These are so fun. I can't wait to give these a try. All right, now let's do... What advent calendar do you have left? Oh, your crafts. We'll check out the next 4 days of crafts with Ava. So, there we go. Day number 16, what do we have?
It's the penguin.
A penguin. Day number 16, we have this little fella right here. Day number 17. Yep, we got a train. Day number 17 is a train.
Oh, it's a bear. It's a polar bear.
18 is a little 3-cubed polar bear. Sorry, Ava. How cute is that? That's adorable. You see it? It's like 3 or 4. 3. What is it? 3 cubes?
Oh, it's really, if I know what it is, it's a nutcracker.
It is the Nutcracker.
On the back.
Oh, does it? Hold it still. Oh, there you go. So you can show them that way. See?
Craft Day 6. The actual craft.
It says Craft Day 6, but we're having trouble seeing what they are. So it is a little Nutcracker. Very cute, Lou. Oh, and look, it has like a color by number type thing going on there. Very nice. All right. Time for the big kahuna.
Can I help you open
We will do the next 4 days of our glossy box calendar. Of course you can help me. I can't handle this on my own.
Ow.
All right, day number 16. Ooh, this is a tiny little fella. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta put my glasses on for this. I cannot read them.
She's blind.
I am blind. This is by Josephine Cosmetics, and it is an Eye Define eyeliner pen. And then the color of it is Meet Jolie. Sorry for the glare on that, guys. But let's open it up and see what color Meet Jolie actually is. All right, it looks like it's just a nice black liquid eyeliner. Open the next one. All right. All right, day number 17. This is sort of the bigger boxes. You gonna read it or get it out for us?
I'll read it.
You try and get some of this steam off my glasses from sitting in the window.
Is that not round?
Steaming them up.
Yeah, Mom, I have a special job for you.
Oh, do I get to hold the bird nest now? Earth Harbor, Earth Harbor. I love my Earth Harbor. All right, so we have Earth Harbor Nebula Serum, and this is an Adaptogen Clarity Ampule Sea Lavender and Ginseng.
What's that mean?
It's a serum for your skin. And they're always the prettiest colors. Ooh, it's purple. I might have that one. That or I have a very similar one. I love Earth Harbor, so I am super happy to have this. All right, day number 18 is a very light, long, and thin one.
Ooh, I like that color.
Sounds like a lip pencil or something. So this is by Illamasqua, and it is a Beyond Liquid Highlighter. So yeah, it is extremely, extremely tiny, but this will last forever. So yeah. It's not just a sample like I thought it was, so.
What?
All right, here's what day 19 looks like. It is a square and it's not super heavy.
Oh, it's nail polish.
Nail polish?
Yeah. Here's what the box looks like if I open it to show you.
Can I show them?
Oh.
It is by Deco Miami, and it is nail lacquer, and it looks like it's in the color Tamale. That sounds kind of fun. So there's the Miami, there's Deco. All right, girlfriend, can you open it without tearing up the box? Ooh, that is Tamale looking, girl. Does that have orange in it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell. It almost looks like it could be like a neon orange color with some red. I don't know. That's really pretty though. I love the packaging. Super cute. Okay, friends, there you have it. That was day 16 through 19 of our advent calendars. I hope you enjoyed. Let's see what I have for my WW favorite. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Also, let me know which advent calendar you guys are enjoying the most and what has been your favorite WW favorite so far. So we'll go ahead and let you go because I know this has been a longer video. Again, thank you guys for your patience and bearing with us. We are finally caught up. Thank goodness for that. Right, Ava? All right. One more week, guys. One more week. We can handle it. If you haven't already done the thumbs up and subscribe thing, guys, please, we would love to have you, and it really helps our channel. We hope you guys have a fantastic day, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.